Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Today what we're going to speak about is what are the spiritual gatekeepers of the soul contracts. It's just a short video, what our aim is with the spiritual gatekeepers of the soul contracts, where you can find us, and do you need our help around this? So before we get into the content, be sure to really subscribe and tell everybody about us, and if you're serious, click the link below and you'll get a free 30-minute call link to see if we can find the perfect way to help you. Yeah. So what are the spiritual gatekeepers of the soul contracts? I've been getting this for a long time to put it out there for the gatekeepers of the soul contracts, spiritual gatekeepers. And what the spiritual gatekeepers of the soul contracts are is the people who have made a soul contract with the gatekeepers of the earth to keep the earth safe. And I've actually worked with a few people who have had these soul contracts, and it is very, very powerful work indeed when we embed those contracts, when we make them safe, And what actually happens when you do make them safe is the fear, the low-level limitations, the things that keep you stuck, the procrastination, all those things of our human existence seem to evaporate, because what happens is we put the power back into the soul contract, where these contracts could be from the start of time. And there's other videos that's actually telling you about the different types of soul contracts. What does it mean to have the gatekeepers of the soul contracts, and how to know if you're keeping the gatekeepers of the soul contracts hidden, and what those soul agreements of the gatekeeper soul contracts are. So check out our podcast videos for more information about if this resonates with you in any way. And as I said, where you can find us is YouTube. You can find us on podcasts, on iTunes and Spotify, and also there's other platforms you will find us on too. And if you really need our help around the spiritual gatekeepers of the soul contracts, just book that 30-minute call, because I will tune into your energy to make sure if you do have one, if you're really holding that contract and it really needs to be embedded back in to the where it came from, And how we do that is we actually go through the past lives to where that contract started. And the thing is, we really need the power behind the protection of those soul contracts, because of the way the world is prevailing through, wars, darkness, whatever way you want to see it. The light workers really have to stand up now. They have to really shine that light, stand in their own power, and really be who they are meant to be and have been for many, many years, many past lives, and show that wisdom of the gatekeeper soul contracts. So without further ado, our aim here is to really realign the people who have these gatekeepers contracts, soul contracts. And there's a few people around the world who really have these contracts embedded, but they need help. They need help to really prove and realign those contracts so that the power is embedded within the heart center, the higher self source, so that we can then show that protection and give that protection around those contracts. And what actually happens when we do that is the gifts that become the person they've kept hidden for so long, they become so powerful that they just allow the low-level emotions, yeah, to just drop away. Your life is compounded by power. You know, your future is stepped in power, stepped in that sovereignty, that ascension that is going on in the planet right now. Our light workers need help. Empaths, mystics, healers. Yes, that's true. I'm Anne Varney. If you'd like to know more, just watch the other videos or listen to the podcasts, and you'll really get some valuable information. And if this resonates with you, please get in touch. Speak to you later.